In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious chicken sauce. Of course, I don't need to teach you how to do the rice, do I? But yeah, this video is mainly about the sauce. So let's get right into it. Welcome to my channel. I have chicken breast here, which I've just cut into like chunks. And I'm going to season that with salt and just set it aside. And then I have tomatoes and onion. And this is my special marinade. It's basically just blended pepper with some seasoning and spices. And here's green pepper, and then I have my seasoning cube, I have my fresh ginger, my fresh garlic, turmeric powder, thyme, and parsley and celery just chopped, and then the rice, of course. So I'm just going to boil the rice and just like serve it with my chicken sauce. So let's get right into it. I'm starting with a bit of vegetable oil. That's enough. So this is hot now. I don't want it to get too hot because I just want to gently cook the onions and the garlic and the ginger. So I'm just going to add that in now. My ginger, my fresh ginger, my fresh garlic, and the onions. Just stir that up and let it cook really well. I grated my ginger and garlic with the small part of the grater. If you don't have that, you can just chop it until it's very, very fine and thin, especially the ginger, because you cannot chew ginger. Like, just very unpleasant to chew big chunks of ginger in your dish. Now I'm going to add my other spices. So I'm adding my celery and my turmeric powder. This is just for like a burst of color, and my thyme. Mix that together. Can you see the way the color has just slightly changed? It's like doing saturation in editing. That's how this works for food. This smells really, really good. So now I will add my chicken chunks to this. My chicken is going in. So just stir that together. Okay, so that's cooking. I'll cook this until it's like nice and brown. Still on low heat. Do not increase the heat at all. This is a gentle, gentle sauce. So I'm going to add my tomatoes now, just the chopped tomatoes and my marinade. So like I said, this has some pepper and just spices. So you can also make yours, or basically just add chopped scotch bonnet or anything like that. But I want to use marinade for this sauce. That's why I'm choosing to use this. So I'm just going to pour the rest of that. It's really, really spicy, guys. So you could do just one scotch bonnet or up to 5, depending on your tolerance level. So I'm going to let that cook really well. Simmer, simmer, simmer. So I'm going to add just a cube of my seasoning. Sprinkle that all the way around. Okay, so I'll just stir this up and then leave it to simmer and cook. And I'll be back in about 5 minutes. So the sauce is just about ready now. The taste is marvelous. But of course, to get this exact taste, you have to use the exact spices I used. So it's not gonna taste the same, so you can't know what I'm talking about unless you try it out, you know? So this looks so good already. It's done. I'm going to add my green pepper to this now. So let's just pour in the green pepper. Stir it up. And that's the look I'm going for. Just a bit of green in there, that's why I added it. So I just let that cook a bit more. So this is, I believe, is a very low budget dish and everyone will be happy. We have our big chicken chunks in there, and yeah. So that's it. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please feel free to check out my other recipes. I promise you they are delicious and they're very practical. I have a recipe for banana cake that's been going really viral. Like, it's just slowly climbing that ladder. I'll leave the link to the top right here. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.